The domino effect of life-changing habits. Imagine this. One small change, a habit so simple it feels insignificant, sparks a ripple effect, transforming your entire life. What if I told you that one decision, like a morning walk or an earlier bedtime, could unlock a healthier, happier, and more purposeful you? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the power of Keystone Habits, but also discover how to identify the one habit that could change your life. We all dream of better lives, healthier, happier, more fulfilled. But how do we move from dreaming to doing? The answer isn't a dramatic overhaul of your life. Instead, it's about one single act, a small but transformative habit that can spark a ripple effect of change. Charles Duhigg, author of The Power of Habit, calls these keystone habits. They're habits with the power to reshape not just one part of your life, but many, like the first domino in a long chain. But what makes them special? Keystone habits change how you see yourself. They inspire momentum and create a cascade of positive behaviors without you even realizing it. Let me introduce you to Ethan. Ethan used to live a life of routine chaos, work, takeout, endless phone scrolling. He felt stuck in a loop of stress and lethargy. But one day, Ethan made a small decision, a 15-minute morning walk. It seemed almost insignificant, but over time, that walk evolved into a 30-minute jog. The fresh air cleared his mind and sparked healthier cravings. Soon, Ethan wasn't just running, he was cooking balanced meals, getting better sleep, and waking up with a sense of purpose. In 6 months, Ethan didn't just lose weight, he rediscovered himself. All of it started with one consistent habit. This is the power of Keystone Habits. They're not about trying to change everything at once, about starting with one thing and letting it snowball into something extraordinary. Why Keystone Habits matter? Why do Keystone Habits create such profound change? Because they build momentum and reshape identity. Ethan didn't just start running, he became someone who values health. That identity shift is powerful. It's what makes habits stick and allows other positive changes to follow naturally. But here's the flip side. Just as there are life-changing keystone habits, there are destructive ones too. Negative habits like procrastination or excessive screen time can pull you into a downward spiral. The good news, break one bad habit, and its destructive chain reaction often breaks along with it. The habits that matter most. If you're ready to transform your life, start with what I call the health trinity: sleep, movement, and nutrition. Let's talk about sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's the foundation of productivity, creativity, and resilience. Think of it as recharging your internal battery. When you're fully charged, everything works better. Take Sophie, for example. Sophie used to survive on 4 hours of sleep a night. Coffee was her best friend, and burnout was her shadow. But when she committed to a consistent bedtime routine, dim lights, no screens, and a good book, everything changed. Her focus sharpened, her energy soared, and life became manageable again. Movement is next. You don't need an elaborate gym routine to see results. A simple daily walk, dance breaks in your living room, or a yoga session before bed can do wonders. The key is consistency. And then there's nutrition. This isn't about cutting everything you love, it's about small swaps, adding more greens to your meals or drinking water instead of soda. Over time, these changes compound into something remarkable. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick challenge for you. If you've found even one idea so far that resonates, hit the like button to let me know. And if you're ready to start your journey with Keystone Habits, consider subscribing. We've got so much more to explore together. The power of planning and tracking. Planning and tracking are like the guardrails of habit formation. They keep you on track and focused. Meet Clara. Every morning, she spends 5 minutes writing down 3 key goals for the day. At night, she reflects on her progress. This simple habit gives her clarity and direction, and tracking takes it further. Whether it's logging expenses, calories, or even how you spend your time, tracking creates awareness. Let's say you decide to track your spending for a month. You might discover that your daily $4 latte habit adds up to $120 a month. That insight alone could inspire you to make smarter financial choices. Meditation, the brain's recovery tool. Finally, let's talk about meditation, a habit often misunderstood as New Age fluff. But meditation is far from that. It's like a rest day for your brain. Picture this: your mind is a shaken snow globe. Meditation allows the flurry of thoughts to settle, leaving clarity in its wake. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or mindfulness can reduce anxiety, improve focus, and enhance creativity. Here's your challenge: pick one keystone habit to start today. Whether it's drinking more water, sleeping earlier, or journaling daily, that small decision could transform your life. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out the recommended videos here for more tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the channel logo to subscribe and share this with someone who could use a little momentum in their life. Because sometimes all it takes is one habit to start a domino effect of change.